Why do 99% of cat owners think their cat is the cutest? Spoiler alert, they might be right. Whether they're chasing their tails or just lounging around, cats have a way of making everything look adorable. From those tiny paws to their playful pounces, it's impossible not to smile. Ever seen a cat try to catch a laser pointer? It's like watching a mini ninja in action. And let's not forget the classic head tilt instant heart melter. Cats also have a knack for finding the coziest spots, like your laptop, just when you're trying to work. Sneaky, but oh so cute. So, if you need a dose of happiness, just spend a few minutes watching these kitties. Warning, may cause uncontrollable awe and a sudden urge to adopt more cats. Stay perfect, everyone.